Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, on this channel I give you awesome tutorial on tech and finance, how to make money. So in case you are new to my channel, subscribe and like this video for you to get my upcoming video. In this video I'll be showing you how to write a blog post with ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT was innovated, like it was established or developed in 2001, and it has been really helping so many website owners, and I'm sure you like to know how to write a blog post using ChatGPT. So guys, one of the things you can do with ChatGPT to write a blog post, other things you can do is to write a book and essay, right? You can even code with ChatGPT. So this tutorial is about how to write with ChatGPT, most especially a blog post. So follow me, subscribe to this channel in case you are new, and I'll be showing you how to write with ChatGPT. So the link to go to if you want to write ChatGPT is chat.openai.com. Chat, so it brings you here new chats. So many things can be done, like I said, on ChatGPT, but I've been focusing on some of the things we are producing this video for, which is what? Writing a blog post. So the first thing you do is to say hi, and it replies you. So I've put the prompt, how can I assist you today? So first thing is to get your keyword. You can either get your keyword using SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Keyword Planner, or Google Keyword Everywhere. So anyhow you want to get your keyword, just bring the keyword here and say write a meaningful but detailed table of content on the keyword how to make money on Facebook. Assuming how to make money on Facebook is my keyword, so I input it in the prompt. Follow me carefully, don't skip this video so you won't miss any step. So write a meaningful but detailed table of content on the keyword. Sure, not the table of content on the topic how to make money on Facebook. So this is it. Definition of Facebook: yes, where Facebook is an important platform for making money. As you can see, this is the way you do it. So your keyword might be how to make money on Instagram, or how to train a pet, or how to the best pets in my location or in my community. You can put your country there wherever you are watching this video from. Okay, as you're watching this video, please give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know any challenges or difficulty you are facing in the comment section as we continue. So it's generating a table of content. As you can see, so many things. ChatGPT is very good. You can use it to code, you can use it to write a blog post. I'll be dropping more videos on this in future. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so you won't miss out of it. I also teach you how to make money online, very easy steps. So subscribe, check out my videos, and you will surely benefit from them. So many things can be done. Is generating a table of content, as you can see. Introduction: understanding Facebook as a business platform, strategies for making money on Facebook, optimizing product listing for conversion. So guys, this is amazing, honestly. So many things can be done. Case studies, successful example of making money on Facebook, small businesses that have grown on Facebook. So as this is writing, as it's generating a table of content, just observe carefully. The next thing I'm going to do is to give it a very amazing prompt for a blog post. Okay, using the table of content generated above, write a well detailed but meaningful blog post. So the next prompt I gave it that using the table of content generated above, write a well detailed but meaningful blog post. As you can see, it's going to bring a blog post for us. So it says, sure, here's a blog post on how to make money on Facebook. So this is the introduction. Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms in the world. So guys, so many things can be done. Let me know if you are facing difficulty. You should be taking advantages of this, because I've used this on my blog. I use it as part of my blog, and I had my own. And one thing I would advise is that don't just depend on ChatGPT. What it gives you, add your whole knowledge, add real-time knowledge, add real-time facts and figures, because this thing is just limited to 2021. Though we have ChatGPT 4, which was just currently released, so which was released currently, and so many things can be done with ChatGPT. Honestly, you should be using this to produce your blog post and optimize them for search engine. Um, Guys, so many things can be done. You have to hit that front page of Google. So is using our table of contents to generate a blog post for us, which is amazing. It's amazing, guys. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now so you won't miss my upcoming videos. So strategies for making money on Facebook, selling products on Facebook. So it gives you the subtopic and also explains it. So guys, so many things can be done with this amazing tool. So many things can be done with these amazing tools, guys. Don't miss out. The link is chat.openai.com. Though you register, then you log in. This thing is creating our content, as you can see, monetizing a Facebook group or page. Finally, business can also make money on Facebook by monetizing a Facebook group or page. This involves video and engage audience, advertising on the group. So your keyword might be how to take care of a dog. As being your pet is dog, or how to take care of a cat. So many things can be done with ChatGPT, guys. As you can see, so it's not just it's not giving me a short blog post, because I know how to input the prompts. Because ChatGPT really depends on how you can input the prompt. What you give in is what it produces for you. So if you give it an amazing prompt, it will surely deliver. Case studies, successful examples of making money on Facebook. So you can see that this is amazing. Try this out and let me know what you encounter or the outcome in the comment section. I can go back. I can say hi. So that's a blog post. Let me write on this. How can or write a story on let's say best friend in, or let's say a friend in need is a friend indeed. So let's say this is our keyword. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Let's see what it brings. Okay, as you can see, write a story. I'm now writing a story. That was a blog post, so I'm not writing a story now. Once upon a time, it's not me that input this story. So it's ChatGPT. So many things can be done. Once upon a time, there were two best friends named Jack and Tom. So guys, reading this story, you will surely enjoy it. So many things can be done. After this, I will input it on how to care for pets. So as you can see, in the end, Jack leave ever after knowing that that's back to life. So let me write other stuff. Write a how can I care for my pets or dog? How can I care for my dog? How can I care for my dog? Caring for dog requires some efforts and responsibility. So guys, this is amazing. Just guys, try this out and let me know what you encounter in the comment section. Provide a balanced diet. Yes, a dog needs that. Regular exercise, it needs that as well. For the mental well-being. Regular grooming. Regular grooming is important to keep your dog coat healthy. and free of tangles and maths. So veterinary care, so many things can be done with ChatGPT, guys. Try this out. Let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. You can use it to write a book. You can use it to code. Yes, you can use it to code. It can even speak in your language. Yes, it can speak in your language. I will still put a video on that. So guys, love and attention, so many things, guys. This prompt is, how can I care for my dog? As you can see, provide balanced diet, regular exercise, regular grooming, veterinary care, provide a safe environment, socialization, love and attention. So how can I read more books? So assuming you're a student and you have difficulty in reading, you can input this prompt as well. So there are so many things can be done on ChatGPT. So many things can be done on ChatGPT. So many things as you have seen. So let me know what you encounter in the comment section and subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and as I be dropping more awesome videos in this channel, you won't like to miss out, I know, because this is sweet. Reading is a great way. It started already. Reading is a great way to expand your knowledge, improve your vocabulary, and enhance your imagination. Here are some tips to help you read more books. As you can see, as a student and finding it difficult to read, go to ChatGPT, input the prompt that, how can I read more books, or how can I study harder? You might niche down and focus on the course that you are trying to study, which seems difficult. You can say, how can I study maths? How can I study more maths? Or I'm finding it difficult to study maths. How can I improve? Or how can I overcome this problem? So guys, just input it. The first step on how to read more books is set a reading goal, schedule reading time, choose book that interests you, join a book club, and guys, this is amazing. Use technology. You can read ebooks, audiobooks. Reading apps are convenient to access books anytime.